Welcome to Captivate AI Studio Training Video Series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add B-roll to your video in Captivate AI Studio. Once you upload your video from local, your auto captions will be generated. Now click on B-roll. You can customize your captions for B-roll. Just click on Auto B-roll. And your AI-powered auto B-rolls will be ready.
Looks like Elon might actually be buying Twitter. After all, any advice? What do you think Twitter's going to be better off? I mean, this has been such a wild saga.
Yeah.
I'm really curious what you make of it.
I don't know. I think it's this is another one of these things that it's really unclear how it'll actually turn out. So it's obviously it's out there, and I think it's interesting as a saga, like you're saying, but I think even at this point, it's not actually clear what's going to happen.
Thanks for watching the video.